Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, I want to show you how to save an image file via a Glyph script. I have in front of you a very simple Glyph script that I want to basically use to illustrate how you can actually accomplish this. So a few things I want to bring your attention to in this line right here. I am saving in a tickle variable called file name the entire path to the file that I want to save, the current working directory and a folder called png_files, and right after that I have the name of the file and its extension. This line right here is the line that is basically the main point of this video. As you can see, I'm using the pw: display save image Glyph function to save that image file that I am looking for. One thing to keep in mind is there are several options that you can specify with this function. I'm showing here some of the basic ones. In particular, I'm using the -dpi flag followed by the number 300 to specify the dots per inch. I am also using the -size flag followed by a tickle list with two numbers to specify the actual physical size of my image in inches. And last but not least, I am specifying right here the name of that file, which is the entire path to the file, followed by its name and its extension. Another thing to keep in mind is this function is going to return either 0 or 1, indicating whether the save operation failed or succeeded. And I am printing that return value in this line right here. So going to Pointwise, I have in front of you a very colorful geometry that I want to save. I want to save an image of this. And one thing to keep in mind is this whole thing is going to work if you run your script via the Pointwise GUI. It's not going to work if you run your script in batch mode. So what I have to do is execute my script. As you can see, I have it saved right there. I execute it and it prints right here that the return variable is basically set to 1, meaning that the save operation worked fine. And I also have information indicating that the script finished and everything worked fine. Opening the file browser right here, I can actually go to the particular location that I specified. And this right here is the PNG file that I saved. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.